Are you looking to add custom fonts in LeadPages to make your landing pages stand out? This quick LeadPages tutorial will show you exactly how to add custom fonts and enhance your design in just a few easy steps. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, not only will you know how to do this, but we'll also talk about some alternatives that might be even better for your design goals. First things first, let's dive into how LeadPages handles fonts. By default, LeadPages offers a selection of fonts, but what if you want to use something unique? It's possible, and today I'm showing you how. To add custom fonts, you'll need to make a few tweaks in the settings. Next thing, go to the Page Settings menu, and from there, click on Fonts. Now, LeadPages does allow you to select from its built-in fonts, but if you're looking for something that isn't available, you're going to need to upload your custom font manually. LeadPages doesn't give you a direct upload option, so we're going to have to take a different approach. The third thing, use custom CSS. You'll need to add the custom font by CSS in the Custom CSS section of your page settings. If you already have the URL link for your font, perhaps from Google Fonts or a custom upload on your hosting, you can now use that font face rule in your CSS to import the font. It's important that you properly link the font, as any mistakes could cause your font not to display correctly. Once you've added the font URL, the next thing is applying it. Use simple CSS like font family, your font name, sans serif, and apply it to the text elements where you want that custom font to appear. You can target specific elements like headings, paragraphs, or buttons. Now, if you're thinking, that's a lot of technical work just to add a font, you're not alone. This process is a bit more involved than a simple point-and-click option, which is why some people might be looking for an easier alternative. So, here's a big tip. While LeadPages does offer customization, it's not the most intuitive platform for this. The design flexibility isn't as expansive compared to other platforms out there, especially if you're trying to scale your page design to a more professional level. That brings me to the next thing. If you find the process of adding custom fonts in LeadPages too cumbersome, there are alternatives that make customization a breeze. Tools like Alternative 1 or Alternative 2 allow you to seamlessly add custom fonts with far fewer steps and a lot more flexibility. To wrap up, adding custom fonts in LeadPages is doable, but it requires a bit of work with CSS and potentially some external tools for font hosting. If you're looking for a more streamlined experience, we recommend checking out other software options that do the job better and offer the kind of design flexibility you need. And here's the exciting part. I've got an exclusive deal for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial of LeadPages, but I've also added some amazing alternatives that offer free trials and even more flexibility for your design needs. Make sure to check those out through our link to get the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.